Hello and welcome to Mystic Manifestation. My name is Jacob, and today we're going to be going over how you can manifest anything you want. And what we're going to be going over today is something I call awareness, observation, and acceptance. And what's great about what you'll be learning today is it's simple, it's effective. You don't need to write down your affirmations 100 times or reprogram your subconscious mind or quantum leap or shift timelines. It's something you can do here and now. So before we dive into awareness, observation, and acceptance, something I want to go over is something called feeling it real. Essentially, it's just a step-by-step process on how to properly visualize to get yourself into the state of being that matches what it is that you desire. The first step is a state akin to sleep, a relaxed, sleepy state, a light meditative state. And the reason this is important is because it takes your attention off your external world, off your external experience, which is just a shadow, and brings it into your internal experience so that you're basically painting on a blank canvas rather than trying to paint over, a painting that's already there, whether you like it or not. So take your attention off your external world, place it on your internal world so that you have a blank place to create from. Now, the second step is really simple. It's just knowing your desire. Know what it is that you want. Now, the third step is creating a scene that would imply your wish has been fulfilled, or rather a short scene that implies your wish has been fulfilled. There's no making a movie here. You just want a short 1 to 2 second scene in your imagination of something that implies your wish has been fulfilled. For example, let's say you want a new car. Don't imagine your whole day driving to the dealership, getting the keys from the dealer, going for a test drive, doing the paperwork. Just imagine yourself filling the gas tank of the car you already own. Maybe someone walks by and gives you a compliment. That's it. Keep it short. Keep it something that implies the wish has been fulfilled. And the next step is to just repeat this scene over and over again. We'll use the car example. You're filling up your gas tank. Someone walks by and says, "Nice car." And then you hear the gas pump click because your tank is full. That's it. And this is a great scene because it has a couple anchors there. Someone giving you a compliment, the sound of the gas pump clicking. And when you play this over and over again, add a little detail each time, whether it's the glimmer off the side of your car, the color, the temperature, the wind, maybe a bird in the background, and add all of those little details within those 2 seconds. You don't want a big long movie because if you do that, it disperses your attention, it disperses your energy, and what you're trying to capture when you do a feel it real, when you visualize, is the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Because it's not the visualization itself that's going to manifest anything. It's the feeling of ownership. Think of visualizing just as a tool to change your state of being. And it's your state of being that's going to be reflected, not what you visualize. So save yourself some time, keep it short, keep it simple, and keep it vivid. So the last step of feeling it real is walking in the state of the wish fulfilled. You've got into a state akin to sleep, you know your desire, you've created a scene and played it over and over again. You have that feeling that you created from your visualization, and now you just want to carry that feeling with you throughout the day. It's not the visualization itself that creates anything, it's the feeling you get from it. So visualize to get the feeling so that the feeling will create the state of being within you that will be reflected in your reality. I quickly wanted to go over feeling it real because it builds the foundation of all of your manifesting. All of the skills you need to manifest lie within feeling it real, and they also translate really well to awareness, observation, and acceptance. I'll point out how they're connected as we move throughout the video, but now we'll move into awareness. So awareness, really, just be present in the moment. Notice where you are in consciousness. Notice what your state of being is, whether that's good or bad or, okay. If you're in a great mood, notice that. If you're in a bad mood, just notice it. Don't judge it. Just be aware of where you are in consciousness. And this is similar to a state akin to sleep in the sense that you're just noticing. You're just noticing where you are. Whether you're making a meal, it doesn't matter. You can continue what you're doing. Just be present in the moment. Then you can start to observe, where you are and where you would like to be. Because really that's all, when someone wants to manifest something, all it really boils down to is knowing where they are and knowing where they would like to be. So, we'll use the car example again. Someone is in a state where they don't like their car and they want to be in a state where they like their car. And, that's all manifesting really is moving your state of being to a new car owner, a new homeowner, in your desired relationship, your desired body, your desired income level. It's just shifting your state of being. And the first step is being aware, being present, and noticing where you are, regardless if it's where you want to be. Just notice where you are and observe where you would like to be. And when you're in your observation stage, any desire can come up. It could be $1 million mansion or just a nice meal. And the third step is acceptance. Really all that is just assuming that whatever desire popped up in that observation phase, assume that is true. Assume that your wish has been fulfilled no matter what it is. And the reason we went over feeling it real is because it translates into this. Like I said, feeling it real builds the foundation for all the skills you need to manifest. And, like state akin to sleep, being present, being aware of where you are, and knowing your desire, the observation, and then visualizing at the end there, you notice it's about capturing the feeling of your wish fulfilled and walking in the state of your wish fulfilled so that the 3D reality will start to reflect your desired state of being. So one more thing that is super important for manifesting in general is actually applying the stuff that you learn. I went through a phase where all I did was learn about this stuff and, it served me well, but nothing really changed until I started applying it. And, the more you apply it, the better you get at, managing your state of being. And things like feeling it real or awareness, observation, acceptance are great tools to manage that. There are tons of other ones, but really manifestation boils down to moving to your desired state of being. Just assume you are the person you want to be. So that's all there is to this video. There's feeling it real and, to help yourself build the foundation you need to get the manifestation skills that you need. And then throughout your day, just practice awareness, observation, and acceptance. And, practice shifting. When you notice you're in an undesirable state, practice shifting into a better one. And, when the more you do that, the more you keep practicing shifting your state, walking in the state of the wish fulfilled, the faster you're going to manifest. And this applies to any desire, big or small, doesn't matter. It's your state of being that dictates your reality. Practice awareness, practice observation, observe what desires come up, and accept them as true. That's all there is to it. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and if you have any questions about feeling it real or any other stuff we went over in this video, make sure to leave a comment and ask any questions. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.